Somebody asked me how to do screen sharing with Zoom. So go over to Zoom, all right? We're going to go to where it says join a meeting, host a meeting. You can host a meeting with yourself. Who knew? When you do that, you're going to host a meeting with video on. Open Zoom meetings? Sure. Join with computer audio? Absolutely. Expand the screen? Sure. I bet you can do that. You don't have to. So just wiggle this mouse a little bit, and here we have participants, 1, chat, share screen. All right then. Very, very important. When you do share the computer screen, you have to check this. Otherwise, people will just be getting a picture and no sound. Now, I think we're sharing the whole screen. And now it says you are sharing the screen. If you want that stuff to come back up, we have new share, stop share, pause share. So you have all your options going. All right, so right now you are screen sharing. What you do is you're going to want to have the things all set up to go. So like here, so you can say, hey, look at the cow, it's on the farm. What do you see? I see chickens. You got horses on the farm. Let's count the horses. What color are the horses? What do the horses eat? You know what I'm talking about. And then when you're done with that, you could click it out or just move on to brilliant video, Old MacDonald. Hey. And you just, in order to make this dialogue come up and down, you just have to move the mouse. It's a little annoying. There is a way to make that not be an issue. So baby farm animals. Look at how cute. All right, there we are. So you can talk about that with your kids, and you'll be sharing a screen, and you can see the person on the other side. So if you got a class, or if you have just one, like say a speech therapy student, there you go. You can both be dialoguing. All right, that is how to share a screen. And when you're done, just click stop.